Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to update Telegram on Android. This is a very easy and quick tutorial. All you have to do is go to your Google Play Store and then type or enter Telegram. And if you haven't updated your Telegram, you can see here a button that says update. So you have to tap that one to get the latest version and the latest features of Telegram. The reason why you need to update your Telegram is that, of course, to avoid or encounter any problems, lags, or some features will not appear because you did not update your Telegram yet. So now, if you don't want to do this and you want your Telegram to be updated automatically, you can just simply go to your profile here and then tap settings, and then under settings go to network preferences, okay, and then tap this auto update apps and click over Wi-Fi only, and that way your applications will be updated automatically. So that's how easy it is to update Telegram on Android. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.